Good day everyone. Today we will be making our PIT and our subject on risk management. The situations is about the hotel disturbance. But before that, we will show you our staff. We will introduce them one by one. So this is our security guard, who is played by Bolabon. Our guest is Tresha Rivera. Our receptionist is Padiran Geraldine. And lastly is our supervisor, played by Miss Ivy Tagot. Situations is about the hotel disturbance, where the scenario is a hotel receptionist encounters a guest displaying erratic behavior and causing a disturbance in the lobby in a shade.
Good morning, ma'am. I couldn't help but notice there's a bit of disturbance here. Can you lower down your voice a bit?
I don't care. I'm having a problem and I need it resolved now.
The receptionist attempts to handle the situation personally by approaching the guest and politely requesting that they modify their behavior to maintain a peaceful environment for other guests.
I understand, ma'am, that you are upset, but I'm here to maintain our calm and peaceful environment. Perhaps we can discuss this in more private place.
No! I want everyone to know how terrible this hotel is.
If the guest refuses to comply or their behavior becomes threatening, the receptionist contacts their supervisor or hotel security to intervene and address the situations appropriately.
I understand, ma'am, that you're very upset. Let me call our supervisor. Please wait a minute.
Yeah, sure. Just call your supervisor right now.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I'm the supervisor here. I understand that there is problem, so let's talk it calmly and find a solution.
Yeah, sure.
In-house security staff may be dispatched to the scene to assess the situations and ensure the safety of guests and staff, while access to the affected area is restricted to prevent further disturbance.
Ma'am, as our token of our apology, we would like to offer you a complimentary breakfast during your stay.
No! I do not like this!
Oh, please stop.
No!
Call the security.
Ma'am, we need to ensure the safety and peaceful to our guests. If you continue to cause disturbance, you will have to ask you to leave the premises.
Once the situation is under control, efforts are made to protect the hotel properly from any potential damage, prioritizing the safety and well-being of individuals.
Let's assess the area for any potential damage and ensure the safety and well-being of our guests. Let's also restrict access to the affected area to prevent further disturbance.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.